How can I call a function within a class? I have this code which calculates the distance between two coordinates. The two functions are both within the same class. However, how do I call the function distPoint in the function isNear?
Since these are member functions, call it as a member function on the instance self.
That doesn't work because distPoint is inside your class, so you need to prefix it with the class name if you want to refer to it, like this, class name.distPointSelf, p. You shouldn't do it like that, though. A better way to do it is to refer to the method directly through the class instance, which is the first argument of a class method, like so, self.distPointP.
E se o monstro sem morrer e Elsa consider subscrever.